How to stop Zoom from going full screen. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want the full screen mode on Zoom to not be in that way, here is what should be done. First of all, make sure you have updated your Zoom to the latest version. In order to confirm it, head over to Play Store or App Store to update the app. Search for Zoom and then tap on Update. Once the update is completed, head over to the Zoom application and then you'll be taken to this page. Tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner to go to the more settings. Now you can either go to the general settings and check for the aspect ratio. However, if it is not present here, scroll up towards the meetings. Once you tap on meeting, you will see a list of options that you can change. Make sure to tap on aspect ratio and select options such as scale to fit or original ratio. You can choose the option that you want for your screen size and you should be good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.